If you've ever stumbled over your words, slurred your speech, or just felt like your mouth couldn't keep up with your brain, first of all, join the club. Clear articulation is essential for voice actors, public speakers, and anyone who wants to sound more polished and professional. Today, we're going to run through 6 powerful articulation exercises that will help you sharpen your speech and boost your vocal clarity. And yes, you'll be following along with me. Hi there, my name is Amy. I'm a more than 15-year veteran of the voice acting industry and an Emmy-nominated broadcaster, and I have actually created this channel to help voice actors and speaking professionals just like you unlock their performance potential. No fluff here, no fear, just real talk and actionable techniques to help you master the microphone. Today, we're tackling articulation exercises. So first, let's warm up your articulators, your lips, tongue, and jaw with some gentle movement. We're going to start with a lip trill like this. You can also do that with a pitch glide at the same time. Does double duty to warm up your vocal cords as well. And if you've done my vocal warm-up video, you'll see that that's a crossover from that as well. If doing the lip trills is tricky, you can also hum while blowing air through your lips instead. So that's just anything to just loosen up the muscles around your mouth and in your lips to get them loosened up. Next, jaw loosening. You're going to open your mouth gently and stretch it side to side and make exaggerated chewing motions to release any tension. Articulation really starts with flexibility, so don't skip this step. You want to get that jaw loosened up. Tightness in the jaw is going to not allow you to open your mouth as fully as it needs to be to get some of that enunciation and articulation going, sometimes even your projection if you need it. Now let's focus on consonants, because crisp consonants make your speech clear and precise. So repeat after me, P-T-K, P-T-K. You do it. You feel how your lips, tongue, and soft palate are all working together? So now let's go B-D-G, B-D-G. Bonus challenge, say them faster. P-T-K, P-T-K, B-D-G, B-D-G. But only if you could keep them sharp. Try it a few times. This builds muscle control and precision. Now, tongue twisters are absolute gold for articulation because they challenge you to stay sharp even at high speed. They are a great thing to have in your daily vocal warm-up, but even further to push yourself to really work on your crisp articulation. So let's go through a few together. You're going to start slow, then speed up. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. It's going to sound a little bit like a Dr. Seuss book. Try it again. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Try it again, maybe a little bit faster. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed... Ooh, they always get me. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Keep trying that. Add that to your daily vocal warm-up repertoire. Next we have, I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Whew. Remember to start slow, make sure every syllable is clear, and then gradually pick up the speed without losing accuracy. And anytime that happens, like it just happened with me, stop, take a breath, try it again, maybe slow it down again a little bit, and then pick it up again. Next up is a voice actor's secret weapon, the pencil trick. Place a pencil horizontally between your teeth and try reading a sentence out loud. It's going to force your mouth to work harder to enunciate, so that when you remove the pencil, your articulation is going to feel effortless. Let's try this together. Ready? Professional voice actors practice proper pronunciation. Professional voice actors practice proper pronunciation. Then take out the pencil and feel the difference. Professional voice actors practice proper pronunciation. Your enunciation, as I said, it feels effortless when you don't have this in the way. But by training yourself to speak articulately with something like this in between your teeth is training the muscles in your mouth and your lips to get those consonants out crisply, even when there's not an object in the way. All right, so now let's take over-exaggeration to the next level. I want you to read a sentence like you're performing for the very back row of a theater, which is something that we don't do as voice actors very often. And I want you to focus on every single vowel and consonant. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Go big. Feel every movement of your lips and tongue, and then say it normally again. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Kind of rolls off the tongue. This helps train your articulators for better precision in everyday speech. So if you ever feel like your words really kind of aren't landing clearly enough, that exercise is going to help with that. Over-pronouncing everything. You're going to stretch out all of your vowels. You're going to hit every consonant clearly and exaggerate every single syllable. The lazy brown fox jumped over the sleepy dog. Now exaggerate it. The lazy brown fox jumped over the sleepy dog. Try it normally now. The lazy brown fox jumped over the sleepy dog. You slowly return to normal speech, and you're going to notice that your articulation is suddenly super crisp and sharp, and more importantly, very precise, which in a lot of types of voiceover is really crucially important. Okay, good job and well done. You know, these exercises might feel silly at first, but trust me, they are powerful tools for building your vocal precision. And if you make them part of your daily warm-up, you'll notice a huge improvement in how crisp and professional your speech sounds. And that's whether you're a voice actor, maybe you're a podcaster, maybe you're a public speaker, maybe you do content creation, anything that uses your voice. Clarity and articulation is key. Now, if you found this helpful, you'll probably find my follow-along private vocal warm-up video helpful as well. I'm going to leave a link down in the description. It is free for you to grab. Just click the link and you'll have a private video that you can use every day as a vocal warm-up where you follow along with me to get your vocal cords and your mouth and your breath support all ready to tackle the day. Also, if you are in a voice profession that requires a home recording studio, be sure to grab my free Voice Actors Home Studio Starter Pack, because really great articulation is only part of the equation. You need a solid recording setup to really sound your best, and the link for that free download is down in the description as well. Now maybe you're wondering, what mistakes might you be making if you're just starting on your voice acting journey? And so if you are asking those things, check out my next video, which is the top 5 mistakes beginner voice actors make. It's a must watch for anyone getting into voiceover. So click the link for it right here, and I'll see you in there.